Hi guys, welcome to the installation video of Fidalo T1 Lite। ये थ्रेडमिल है और ये मैंने 16,000 से फ्लिपकार्ट से लिया है। अब the reason of why I am making this video is that there is no video available in YouTube, and also the installation guys called me today to do a self installation. Due to the COVID reasons, they will not be able to come and visit the house. So I have to do it myself. So I am making this video so that other people who purchase this product can use it as a guidance. Coming to the inbox, what is available, I will just show you. So the threadmill will be available in a single installed, almost 90% installed position. The cord here is a Chinese cord where you will be getting an adapter, Indian adapter with this. So let me take you through the inbox content. So you have the user manual, you have the warranty card. So warranty card reads as 3 years of motor warranty, frame is for lifetime, and parts and warranty are where items are 1 year guarantee. So in the box we have this safety latch, oil, lubrication oil, two tools to unscrew and lock the machines and the nuts. So here you will get the socket, transfer socket. This is for the music from your phone. I guess this product has built-in speaker, maybe probably on the back side it may have some speakers, I guess so. They have given also 6 pads to put it on the base so that the floor doesn't get damaged. You get 4 screws with 4 washers. So the first step here is to install the monitor here. So monitor I have installed it already through the help of 2 screws with the handle. Okay. Now the next step is to install the handle, or it is already installed, we have to just straighten it. So let me just say it out. So you have to pull it up like this way, and this is the position where the screw will be fitted. So it will be in angular positions. So once I fix it, I will show you the video. So as you can see here, there will be a screw here, so which will help us to install the handle here. So you have to tighten it, and now I will use the tool given here to tighten the screw. So similarly on the other side, only there are 4 screws which we need to install here. So after tightening the screws, the machine is looking like this, and it is on in a stand position. So I will take you through how the machine goes on and how it is running. So now I have plugged in the wiring. So now you can see it has got 2 switches, one for reset and another one is for the power. So once powered on, it is showing some error. So we'll just check it. What is it? I guess the error is for this one, the magnet. Yeah. So once I put down the magnet, so this is the display where you can have the pulse, the distance covered, the time and the calories burned. Here you have the pulse meter, and here you can increase or decrease the speed or do a start stop. Similarly you have the buttons here. So before you start your machine, you have to lubricate the machine in this manner. So there is a lubrication hole. You just put on few drops and cover it. Now let us start the machine. So this is 1 kilometer speed. So it has started rolling. So you can increase the speed from here. So you can start and stop the machine from here. So this is 6 kilometer speed. This is the sound level. It's not very high, but it's also not very low. This is 6 kilometer. So I guess the speed will go up to 12 kilometers per hour for this machine. This is 9. Let me see the maximum speed. Yeah, 12 is the maximum speed here. Right. So I will be back for more updates on the machine after using it. And thanks for watching.